You were the best son that anybody could ever ask for. You were amazing. You were loved. You were brave. It wasn't fair. It wasn't fair. I would have said that this isn't fair.
Storja taqsim il-qalb, kliem ħerġin mill-fom ta' minn bikma, ta' diċċendenza Maltija li l-ġimgħa li għaddiet tilfet lil binha Ben Stajlo li miet fi sptar f'Melbourne imdawwar biss bil-magni, il-bogħod mill-qraba u ħbieb tiegħu. Ommu Rose Kassar esprimiet magħna x'weġa ta' qalb ta' esperjenza li ma tħallix tkun biswid binha meta jkun qiegħed jieħu l-aħħar nifsijiet ta' ħajtu.
We rang like a lot of times during the day, then his father called as well, and we couldn't get through. We wanted to try and set up a video in the hospital room to be able to see him and see what was happening, but we couldn't get through. They weren't answering their phone. At that point, I felt that my son, I was never going to see him again, and I had no support with the hospital, and I didn't see him again.
U minflok żammit ommu spiċċa jżomm qiegħed it-tabib tiegħu u mdawwar bil-barranin fil-mument li fih kien qed imut.
He would squeeze the hand of the doctor. Those hands should have been our hands. We should have been holding our son.
Din is-sitwazzjoni spiċċat ħallit lil Rose tbati minn sitwazzjoni xejn sabiħa ta' saħħa mentali għaliex ma setax taċċetta li binha miet u jien ma kellix iċ-ċans tkellmu għall-aħħar darba.
I was going mad, literally going mad, with no support from the hospital. No way of reaching him, no way of talking to him, no way of seeing him.
Ben kellu 28 sena. Il-kondizzjoni li kellu fis-sistema tal-immunità taffettwa biss 5 persuni fid-dinja kollha u kien ilu jbati minn din il-kondizzjoni għal sentejn sħaħ. It-tifel Malti Awstraljan kien maħbub minn ħafna kien jipprova jgħin lil dawk kollha li jkunu fil-bżonn.
He was a very caring, giving person. He had a cafe. He always had a donation thing where he raised money to give to people, to charities that like the minority.
Sħabu kienu jħobbuh ħafna, bommu tiddiskrivih bħala persuna li kien imiss il-qlub.
He touched everyone's soul and everyone gravitated to him. He was respectful, he was kind, he was a good person. A very good person.
Wara din l-esperjenza, Rose Kassar bdiet petizzjoni online biex persuni oħra ma jiġux imċaħda milli jkunu ħdejn raba tagħhom fl-aħħar mumenti ta' ħajjithom meta d-dinja qed tiġġieled il-COVID-19.